Afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2018 comments past question. Question number 41 says the transfer of authority by a superior officer to hello, good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec year 2018 comments past question. Question number 41. The transfer of authority by a superior officer to a subordinate in an organization is that is, transfer means the passing or the passage of power. The passage of power or authority from the top officer or manager or administrator to the subordinate body is called dash. Or what is the name for that process? A, controlling. B, decentralization. C, delegation. D, directing. The correct option here is delegation. That is delegation of power. So option C. When we talk of delegation of power or authority, delegation of authority is the transfer of duty or responsibility to the subordinate body in an organization. So that's what we mean by delegation of authority. Thank you. God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.